Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. In this video, we are going to understand an important software development concept called Monorepo Architecture. What is a monorepo? A monorepo, or a monolithic repository, is a software development strategy where multiple projects or applications are stored in a single code repository. Instead of maintaining separate repositories for each project, all related services, libraries, and applications are managed together in one centralized repository. Who uses monorepos? Many large tech companies successfully use the monorepo approach, including Google, Facebook, Meta, Microsoft, Uber. These organizations manage hundreds or even thousands of projects efficiently using monorepos. Monorepo versus polyrepo. In a polyrepo approach, each project has its own repository. Dependencies are managed separately. Code sharing is more difficult. In a monorepo approach, all projects live in one repository. Shared code can be reused easily. Changes across projects can be coordinated smoothly. Popular monorepo tools. Some widely used tools that support monorepo architecture are Turborepo, fast builds and caching, NX, powerful workspace management, Lerna, JavaScript package management, NPM or Yarn workspaces, dependency management. These tools help in building, testing, and deploying large-scale monorepos efficiently. Benefits of monorepo. Monorepos offer several advantages: easy code sharing across projects, better collaboration between teams, simplified dependency management, consistent tooling and standards, faster cross-project changes. Challenges of monorepo. However, monorepos also come with challenges: requires proper build system setup, needs efficient CI/CD pipelines, access control must be carefully managed, can become complex if not structured well. Best practices for monorepo. To use monorepos effectively, organize code with clear folder structure, use scalable build tools, implement strong CI/CD automation, define clear ownership for projects, maintain proper documentation. Conclusion. In conclusion, the choice between monorepo and polyrepo depends on your organization's team size, project complexity, and development workflow. When implemented correctly, monorepos can greatly improve productivity, collaboration, and scalability. Thank you for watching, and I hope this session helped you understand monorepo architecture clearly.